Welcome to the next Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today, we have Maxine. And Maxine is speaking about Stacy. And she said basically she had told Stacy that she's not supposed to come out for Lady B. And among other things. So, guys, you have to catch the video to hear what Maxine has to say. And, basically, that if she knows that she's going to come out, then she's not the person who loves to apologize. So what she does is, she tries not to be in a situation where she have to apologize to people, so she don't put herself in that um in a situation where she has to apologize. So when she does anything on social media, basically she doesn't really do it to hurt anyone. And if she does, she basically will apologize, but she don't put herself in a situation to hurt people because you basically knowingly say what you have to say and you know that it will hurt someone. So go catch the video and hear what she has to say. What she has to say to Stacy as well. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this new year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, I wish you a lovely day.
The reason why me not do a lot of things out here, The reason why me not do a lot of things out here are because, say, when me look back on it and say, me I know somebody who love to apologize to people. Double tap your screen, guys. Double tap your screen. I am not somebody who apologizes for stuff. I try not to do things so I'm going to be able to apologize to you. Me try to walk on the straight and narrow. Me do fall, But me they tell you say, me, I know the type of somebody who have to do you something, knowing well say me have to go apologize to your feet. Because apologies don't go like that. You can't know say you they go hurt somebody. You can't know you go hurt them, and then apologize feet. No. And I said to the young lady, I said to her, don't do it. Don't cuss her. Don't cuss her.
Stacy, good morning, good morning, good morning. I first let me apologize. Do not make me. Stacy girl, listen to me. Good morning. This is Maxine. No matter what, listen. Do not come out for Lady V. Do not make nobody, no matter what you hear or what happened, Stacy, stay up on the right path. Do not come out and address nothing, Lady V. Don't disrespect her, because you know it's gonna come around where you and she go become friends again. Don't listen to nobody and do that. Don't make nobody draw you out if you come answer nothing. Do what you want to do. I have no problem with you doing what you want to do, but I don't want you coming out here and make them pull you out if you can't answer nothing at all. If Lady B want double cross you, triple cross you, or fourth cross you, that's okay. That's okay. Don't change from the person that me know you is. You remember, say the first time you come out here, you come out and you talk and everything is water under the bridge where Dan and everything is concerned. Please, I'm asking you, do not come out here and exchange no words, say nothing where she's concerned. You understand what I'm saying to you, Stacy? Love you. Bye. I am so.
She did came out. That was on the 20th, that was on the 17th of March. And on the 25th of March, in the morning, oh God, she for the whole time. She cuss and she go on and she cuss and she go on and she go up on Ashanti and she cuss and she go on. And when me hear what Lady V do to her, when I hear what Lady V do to her, me call her back. Me call her back and this is it.
So sorry. Because I never know they were doing you like this. I never heard anything. I never know until Ashanti them talk over there. I am so sorry. You have a right to do whatever you want to do. Because Lady V do me worse. Stacy, Lady V do me worse. Me ball. Oh, Lady V wicked. I never know. Me must say me are the first one. Apart from, and Lord, I am the first one. Lady V wicked till he can't wicked no more. And that's why Lady V they get why one.
When I said apart from landlord, I never mean to call landlord name, but I said apart from what she had done to landlord, my case take the cake. My case take the cake. So that's the reason why me call landlord name this. So me no want she go come out for me because me no have nothing to say to landlord. Me no have nothing to say to her. Me just say play the voice note them. Because me know how no touchy out here, you know, no very touchy. And me don't know if you no can touch you more than me. You know, very touchy. And think you no have secret for me.
Forget. I am so sorry, Stacy. And again, I am sorry. I should have never said anything. I shouldn't even care. But I was thinking about you and about what's gonna happen. And with your name being dragged all over, Stacy. I am sorry. Okay, sweetheart? And I still love you no matter what. Okay, baby girl?
Yes, me still not eat her.
A Lady V I do it. Is Lady V. I'm not done in. Is Lady V. Because I don't trouble nobody. Is Lady V. She's a nasty witch without a broom. Me never trouble her. Miss Maxine, me love you, you know. Me not have no problem with you ever. Me never have no problem with you ever. Me just me's an anointed little soul, and that's it. I know what me know. Me not have no problem with none of you out here, so we know me for 3 years. Me know for hold me lane and hold my corner. A Lady V, the witch without the broom.
Listen, I'm on my live right now.
She sit down and take the whole of, she sit down and take the whole of your business and turn it around in a one trash bin. And that you wait until me come out on her life again. She try to use you and the situation. I go and tell the truth them out here, so I say one thing about it, Lady V don't know me like oh you and Kingston. You and Kingston 13 know me different. That bitch don't.
Me talk on me live up.
Me I go on 13 live. Me I go on 13 live. My son I fuck around with my phone and do some things. But I'm going on there when I get out of the shower. Me not end this. You remember how me used to stay? Before you meet me and when you meet me, Lady V, just get it back. And you supposed to know me galang bad and stay. Make them come and come say nothing to me at all and see if me not run them out of way. Cause I only 2 women no more know me Panyasa for 3 years and it's you and Kingston 13. You understand what you call females and then my sister them. She's a blood clot witch without a broom. I don't care. I still are the same person, Miss Maxine. I still stand up the same way from when I call you the gardener woman. You say if you have to come out and done her, come out and done her.
They tell me to come
out and done her. And make sure say you stay upon just that. Come out and done her. In a life you will learn. But me have to tell you the truth. When I talk to you, I tell you.
All these years she never have a problem with me cussing Donna. You hear she tell me if you come out and cuss Lady V, but stay just pan that kind know say me can't switch pan Donna at any time because most of the stuff them go where Donna is concerned too and stuff like that. So she knows say me we just switch pan Donna and split up a dime. She know that. She know. She know. Yeah, she have beg me say me fi come out pan her. Me fi come out pan her. Me don't want come out pan Lady V. Me done say me piece already and me gone. I want somebody me to go ride like a Jackie and a Donna. Cause every time somebody come over here so come call me name and me know say a Donna camp then come out. Oh yes, me go cuss Donna. So if you don't know want me cuss Donna, don't come over my page, come say nothing to me. Don't stay upon the page and call me name, cause me don't cuss Donna. Me don't know no. Me don't know no, you know. Me know Donna. So if you don't want me to cuss Donna, come out upon the page and call me name. Or say anything about me, make me ear back. Cause me don't cuss. Yes, me I go cuss.
You just, you know, I never know how else to say it, cause I say it to your daughter, I say it to you the same thing. And your sister, hold your head. Trials and tribulation. When you're done with that, there's a story for you to tell. Me not gonna tell you don't Lady V. She's a very nasty person. A chit chat me I wait for come out.
You see? You wait pan chit chat too. What chit chat do you? What she do you? You wait pan chit chat. Give God thanks. Yes. Because you can't say should they save up the voice note them from 2020, 21, 22. Should they save them up from then time there? And from then time they should they save them up. Cause she know today when they go come where she go put out the tape them. Where she go call Legendary and she go call 13 and she go call this one and she go call Gracie and she go call Dwayne and she go. Nobody no want the voice note them, no money no depend them. I guarantee you no money not on them. So you might as well delete them from out of your phone by now. Me only have this because me no really delete nothing from my phone. And thank God me ain't delete them. Me have how much phone and lucky enough. When one message come on this, me send it over upon the other one. Cause they always take back the message them. They so crafty, they always take back the message them people. You understand? You cuss Lady V. Listen how you cuss all Ashanti now too. Listen for your Ashanti part.
Man, Auntie Maxine, I've been watching you, man. I've been watching you and I love you, man. You understand? I'm just off for work, but overall, I love you. You hear me? I ain't go to Jamaica in a while and use a gardener. And you have your thing them. Me would love to buy some guinea and things like that from you. I love you and I respect you. Them people that try use you, I don't like it. I don't like it. And I love and respect you, mom. I watch you, but I can't watch negativity. Can't watch this now. It no fair.
Your negativity when can't watch is that me and Ashanti a friend. Him and Ashanti and a friend, Dana and Ashanti and a friend, and the cussing when they go on. And the cussing when they go on. And Ashanti when they dog up Dana. You don't know how it will go. You don't know how it will go.
One. You understand? And overall, man, when me speak, please just listen with understanding. Yeah, I'm love you know. I just can't know, man. When you put in yourself out, the people are gonna love love or hate. I am not a nationer. I'm not a plankener. I'm not none of that. I'm just somebody that was watching. And the boy that Ashanti too disrespectful. I'm not like him. I'm the one to leave if he be anywhere near you. Straight up. Yeah, you could have been my auntie. You hear me? You could have been my daughter. And I much love manners, respect. And
at this, she didn't know my age. And if she can say, me couldn't be her daughter, that mean me look young for me age. Me look younger than her. If she can say, she couldn't be my mama, you know, say me couldn't be my mother, you know, she couldn't be my mother, that mean me look young for she, for sister. You understand?
I thank you for reaching out to me, yeah? I'ma love you always, yeah? Anytime them I go discourage you, man, just remember, say, me I one of them who sit back and I watch and I never said nothing before. But you see, when it gone to certain level, and then we have to take off our shoes. Even if we no argue, teeth and tongue may meet.
That's me and Dana.
But not the way Ashanti and the other one and do it. Suppose you ever see how I'm mad when time she leave your yard and what she say.
That's
not right. For real.
That's how when Lorian leave down here.
I'm in Georgia. But you see, the thing is that, you see, for no apology together, that's okay. You know what me depend the fact of all them is and all them stay. But I want you to stay tuned because I'm gonna play about them video. Nobody can tell me what I'm really, you know? None of them, it don't make no sense. You see, as long as you're done good, that's all that matters. I know what they want. Give me a minute and you will hear what I say, man. Because I'm going to speak my mind and how I feel about the whole thing. I'm going to see the disadvantage where them take you. And I hear where Ashanti said, me not deaf. Yeah? And because of who my father was, I have my father there and I look down upon me. So I'm not going to embarrass him. I'm not going to embarrass my family. I speak as if you was my auntie. I speak as if everyone. That's why I'm going to put everybody in a hole, like, where it makes sense. I just nasty and what them want. But I see death.
How does it reach to this? How does it reach to this right now? You tell me, how does it reach to this? I haven't changed. I'm the same Maxine come out every day and cuss Dana when I want cuss Dana. Me not change. How we reach here so you know? That you calling me all sort of names. And because me call you Cletisha, I burn you. Because me call you Cletisha, it burn you. Cletisha shouldn't burn you. Are your hobby? Are your trade? Shouldn't burn you. Up to yesterday, me see you suck out woman's tongue. Up to yesterday, you were sucking out a woman's tongue. It shouldn't burn you. What I do should have never burn you. The Cletisha, what I called you, it shouldn't burn you. You are Cletisha. You are Cletisha.
The people would bring down disrespect arguments at themselves. Just watch what me do them, man. Don't worry yourself, you know. Good people out there will understand, and I'm very young. All the 42. I can link me. I don't care. Link me because what people are going to talk about, I ain't going to talk about it because we're in a serious times. You know what I'm saying? Everybody feel nice, man. Until me know all of what go on, you can see it. If them not like Mixup and can stand in the middle and be neutral, then we do it. Nobody can sue nobody. Because you see YouTube, you see videos, they have never been deleted. This is why I sit down and I watch the whole thing. But all I want you to do is stay encouraged. You have a beautiful heart and you're very giving. So I understand. Don't you worry, just watch out, man.
So where that gone? Tell me which party gone. Me still sit down with the same beautiful heart and the giving spirit and the loving spirit. Me still sit down with it. You know gone away. You know gone away now. How what happened? Some spell upon you.
Commentary upon them like it ain't nothing. Because it's not nobody's fault. It's what they say I play. You know? It's a freedom voice. That's nasty, man. Oh, I love everybody, even when them don't love themselves. But auntie, stay encouraged. You hear me? There's songs that have made it. It can encourage you too. You understand? And love and respect manners all the time.
One whole heap of delete message when did it? This was the morning when she decided to start playing the video them.